Restart your PC first. A simple restart often clears pending update issues. Do. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Windows Update. 3. Clear Windows Update cache. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run the following commands. netstop wazr. netstop bits. Go to c:/wndow's/softwaredistribution. Delete all contents in the folder. Back to command prompt. net start wazr. net start bits. 4. Manually download the update KB5058411. Visit the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for KB5058411. Download the correct version for your system, likely X64 based for Windows 11 24H2. Run the installer manually. 5. Run sfc and DISM tools. Open command prompt as administrator, then run sfc scannow. After that completes DISM online cleanup image restore health. Then restart and try the update again. 6. Check group policy or registry settings. Sometimes updates are blocked by policies. Open pedit.msc and ensure no updates are being paused deferred under Computer Configuration Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. 7. Temporarily disable antivirus. Third-party antivirus can block updates. Try disabling it and attempt the update again. 8. Try Windows Update Assistant. Use the official Windows 11 Update Assistant to force the update. Still not working? If KB5058411 still won't install, check Windows Update error codes in Settings Windows Update History. You can share the error code with me and I'll help further.